Hi there! We supply complete production lines for waste fabric recycling. The production line shown in this video has two key machines, a fabric shredder, and a pellet mill. Supporting machinery is easy to install and commission, delivering outstanding production efficiency. Our fabric shredder is specially designed for fluffy and tangled waste textiles. It handles a wide range of raw materials, used garments, non-woven fabrics, wear-upon trimmings and other textile waste. Even tangled, knotted, or stacked mixed textile scraps can be cut uniformly into fine fragments without any jamming or clogging. Shredded material feeds the Model 560 pellet mill. It has a 132 kilowatts heavy-duty motor with wear-resistant core parts that resist high heat to prevent material scorching. It runs continuously stably at a standard output of 1.5 tons per hour, producing dense pellets with minimal powder.